Hey everyone, welcome back to the Forex Muse. If you're a Forex trader or aspiring to be one, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into something a little different but incredibly important: hobbies. You might be thinking, hobbies? What do they have to do with trading? Well, Forex trading is intense. It demands focus, discipline, and a cool head under pressure. The right hobbies can help you recharge, sharpen your skills, and even boost your trading performance. So, stick around as we explore some essential hobbies that can make you a better Forex trader. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about hobbies that help you manage stress. Because let's face it, trading can get stressful. Two great options here are meditation and yoga. Meditation is all about training your mind to stay calm and focused. Imagine sitting down after a wild trading day, taking 10 minutes to breathe deeply, and letting the stress melt away. It helps you make clear-headed decisions instead of emotional ones. Yoga takes it a step further by combining relaxation with gentle movement, perfect for unwinding and staying balanced. These hobbies are like a reset button for your trading mindset. Next, we've got hobbies that can sharpen your mind and improve your trading skills. Reading is a no-brainer for traders. Dive into books on finance, psychology, like Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, or even stories of legendary traders. It broadens your perspective and keeps your brain sharp. Another cool one is learning a musical instrument, like the guitar or piano. It's not just relaxing, it boosts memory, patience, and attention to detail, all of which translate to better chart analysis and strategy building. Who knew strumming a tune could help you spot trends? Trading can keep you glued to a screen for hours, so physical hobbies are a must. Exercise, whether it's running, hitting the gym, or even a brisk walk, keeps your body strong and your mind energized. It releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that lift your mood and reduce stress. Feeling good physically helps you stay sharp for those long trading sessions. Bonus points if you try something like hiking or cycling. It gets you outside and refreshes your perspective. A healthy trader is a smart trader. Finally, let's talk about creative hobbies to unwind and spark inspiration. Cooking is a fantastic one. Chopping veggies or trying a new recipe can be super therapeutic after staring at charts all day. Plus, it teaches patience and precision, skills every trader needs. Then there's gardening. Nurturing plants is a slow, rewarding process that reminds you growth takes time, just like building a solid trading strategy. These hobbies give your brain a break and let your creativity flow, which might just lead to your next big trading idea. So there you have it. Hobbies that can transform your life as a Forex trader. Whether it's managing stress with meditation, sharpening your mind with reading, staying fit with exercise, or unwinding with cooking. These activities support both your trading performance and your well-being. Trading isn't just about the numbers. It's about taking care of yourself too. So, pick one of these hobbies and give it a shot. Which one are you already doing, or which are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading and happy hobbying.